I took just 30 minutes in straightening this hair. Like, guys, I so do love this hair. Like, it's so freaking nice. You guys should check it out. Hello, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, you guys have already seen from the title what I'm about to do. Like, guys, I'm about to review this hair straightener I got. So guys, I want to be doing this hair. This is a curly hair. I just comb it out to list the curls a little bit. So for today's video, I will come out in trying out how this really works. You know, I did a video on unboxing this hair straightener. So for today, I'm doing the review, like you guys to see how this work magic. Check out this hair now. Check it out how it is. But watch out and see the magic this will do for this hair. And if you're new like if it's your first time stopping by here, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button before leaving. Please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell on, so whenever I upload a new video, you will definitely be the first person to get a notification. All right guys, so without further ado, let's get into the video. Let me go ahead and plug this up, and this heats up like in a second. It's already hot. It's like very hot. It's safe. This is how you have to always put it into this bag, because without this bag it's gonna burn everything that you played on. So you have to just put it on this. So I got my take home and my clippers here to help me work my way through this hair. You can see from the back part, even you can still see the curls, because I just brushed the hair, but I didn't brush it up very well. Just brush it a little bit. So just take this quantity and make sure you comb the hair. And you can still put a little bit of water. So you just go in now and you pull it. I hope you guys are seeing what this hair straightener is doing on this hair. Watch the magic. Oh my god, like just one swap, one swap. Oh my freaking god, what? Check it out. With one swap, I mean one. I haven't taken this twice, just one. Okay, let's go in with it twice and see. All right, so all right, okay. So I finally got it. I finally got my hair straightener. Okay, so guys, we are just in the process of babblissing this hair. Like, look at how far I have come with the hair. This hair, like, I'm just so loving this hair, guys. It's so very damn beautiful. So guys, I'm just like doing this hair. Like, guys, I love this hair straightener. I can like I have used so many hair straightener, but this one, it's just so perfect. Like, perfecto. There is nothing wrong with it. I love it. So we are almost done. Okay guys, I'm done with the hair. I'm done with everything, guys. Just check out this hair. Look at how this kinky curly hair turns out. Like, this is a wig I did long ago, so I used a Kinky Wonders to do the wig cap. So just look at how the hair turns out. Like, guys, I so do love this hair straightener. It's so amazing, guys. Like, I really love it. I took just 30 minutes in straightening this hair. Like, guys, I so do love this hair. Like, it's so freaking nice. You guys should check it out now. Look at the hair. Look at, it's so nice. Yeah, so guys, I think that will be all about the video for today. I'm done with straightening the hair, so that will be all about the video for today. I hope you all loved the video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I can recommend this hair straightener because it's so freaking nice, guys. It's so freaking nice. Like, I took barely 30 minutes in doing this hair, so I will recommend the hair straightener. Look at how my hands are just passing through this hair right now. Like, oh my god, I love the hair. So thank you so very much for watching. I love you all so damn freaking much. Please always remember to drink you some water and mind your own business, okay? So guys, I will definitely see you in my next video. Until then, bye, and I love you all so very much. Peace out.